Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy English Podcast, where we help you speak real English with confidence.
Yes, welcome back. We're really happy you're here today. Whether you're listening at home, in your car, on the bus, or during a walk, thanks for spending this time with us.
Today's episode is powerful, it's motivating, and honestly, some of you might need to hear this.
That's right. Today we're talking about this topic. Stop making excuses and start speaking English in America.
We meet so many English learners who say they want to speak, but they keep waiting.
Waiting to feel ready, waiting to feel confident, waiting to feel perfect.
And today we're going to gently but honestly break those excuses and give you simple ways to start speaking right away.
This episode is especially for beginners and lower intermediate learners living in America or planning to move here.
Don't worry, we'll use easy English, short sentences, and lots of real examples.
Okay, let's start with a simple question. Anna, what is the most common excuse you hear from learners?
The most common excuses. Easy. Number one excuse is, I understand English, but I can't speak.
Yes, I hear that all the time.
And when I ask, why can't you speak? They say,
My grammar is bad. My pronunciation is bad. I'm shy. I need more vocabulary. I'm scared people will laugh.
exactly. But here's the truth. These are not language problems.
They're confidence problems.
And confidence grows from action, not from waiting.
Let me say something important for everyone listening. You do not build speaking confidence by studying silently. You build speaking confidence by speaking out loud.
The perfect English first trap. Let's talk about another excuse. I will speak when my English is better.
Ah, yes, the later excuse.
Later is dangerous.
Because later becomes next year.
And next year becomes never.
Here's something surprising. Many fluent speakers today started with broken English.
Very broken English.
Short sentences, wrong grammar, strong accents.
But they spoke anyway.
That's the difference.
Real beginner situation. Grocery store. Let's do a real life example. Imagine you are in a grocery store in America. You cannot find something. What do many learners do?
They walk around silently for 20 minutes instead of asking one question.
Yes, even though the question is simple.
You can say, "Excuse me, where's the rice?"
That's it. Not a long speech, not perfect grammar.
And store workers are used to accents. They hear them every day.
Nobody is shocked that you are learning English.
America is full of immigrants and language learners.
Fear of embarrassment. Let's talk about fear of embarrassment. This is a big one.
Very big.
Learners think, if I make a mistake, it will be terrible.
But mistakes are normal conversation events, not disasters.
Native speakers make mistakes too.
All the time.
Wrong words, wrong names, wrong grammar, and fast speech.
Conversation is not a grammar test.
It's communication.
A simple speaking rule. Let me give everyone a simple rule. Clear and brave is better than perfect and silent.
I love that. If you are clear and brave, people can help you. If you are silent, nobody can.
Small daily speaking challenges.
Okay, let's make this practical. We're going to give you small daily speaking challenges. Ready?
Challenge 1. Say one full sentence in English to a stranger every day.
Just one. Examples: good morning. How are you? Thank you. Have a nice day.
That counts as speaking practice.
Challenge 2. Ask one simple question daily.
Examples: Where's the bathroom? What time do you close? How much is this?
Short questions, big progress.
Talking even when you're alone. Now, here's one many people don't expect. You should speak English even when you are alone.
Yes, this works very well.
Describe what you're doing. I'm cooking eggs. I'm opening the door. I'm looking for my keys.
This builds speaking muscle.
Your mouth needs practice, not just your brain.
Okay, Mark, let's talk about work. Many learners are nervous about speaking English at work.
Yes, especially in meetings or when talking to colleagues.
I hear things like, I understand everything, but I can't answer questions. Or, I'm afraid my English is too slow.
And that's normal. It happens to everyone at first.
The key is small steps. You don't need to speak perfectly, you just need to participate.
Exactly. For example, if someone asks you a question in a meeting, you can start with, I think, maybe, yes, I agree with that.
Even if it's just a short sentence, it's okay. The more you speak, the easier it becomes.
And don't forget, asking for clarification is totally fine.
Yes, you can say, sorry, can you repeat that? I'm not sure I understand. Can you explain?
These sentences are natural. People actually respect learners who try.
Speaking with neighbors or in the community, another real-life challenge. Speaking with neighbors or people in your community.
Oh, yes, simple conversations like at the mailbox, at the park, or in the laundry room.
Many learners avoid talking, but it's a great opportunity to practice English in short bursts.
Yes, you don't need a long conversation. 1 or 2 sentences is enough.
For example, you can say, "Hi, how are you? It's nice to meet you. Do you live in this building long?"
See? Very simple. But each small conversation builds confidence.
And slowly, you start understanding more and speaking longer sentences.
Phone calls in English. Now let's talk about phone calls. Many learners fear speaking on the phone in English.
I know, the person can't see your face. It feels harder.
Exactly. But start small. You can practice with simple sentences.
"Hello, this is Anna. I'm calling about... Can I speak to... Thank you. Have a nice day."
Yes, and don't worry about mistakes. People usually speak slowly and clearly if you ask.
Also, it's okay to write notes before the call. Write the sentences you want to say. Many beginners feel better when they have a short script.
Pronunciation confidence. Another common problem, pronunciation. Many learners say, my accent is bad. People won't understand me.
Listen, your accent is fine. Perfect pronunciation is not necessary.
Yes, focus on clear pronunciation and key words. For example, in the sentence, I want to buy some bread. If you pronounce buy clearly and bread clearly, people will understand, even if the other words are soft.
Also, speaking slowly helps a lot. Don't rush.
Yes, slow plus clear plus brave beats fast plus quiet plus scared every time.
Conversation practice dialogue. Let's do a short practice conversation. You can repeat this at home.
Great idea. I'll be the store worker.
And I'll be the learner.
Okay. Hello, how can I help you today?
Hi, can you tell me where the milk is?
Yes, it's in aisle 4 next to the eggs.
Thank you. How much is it?
It's $3.50 for 1 liter.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
You see? Short, clear sentences, simple but real communication.
Exactly. And the more you practice, the easier it gets.
Motivation. Stop waiting, start speaking. Anna, let's give listeners some motivation.
Yes, here's the truth. Waiting for perfect English will keep you silent forever.
But speaking, even with mistakes, is progress.
Every sentence you speak is practice. Every mistake is learning.
And each day, you get a little better.
Start with 1 sentence today. Tomorrow, 2 sentences. Next week, short conversations.
Before you know it, you are speaking confidently.
Okay, Mark, let's talk about mornings. Many learners feel nervous about speaking English in the morning, especially when they meet neighbors, coworkers, or classmates.
Yes, but mornings are full of opportunities. You can practice small sentences every day.
For example, you wake up and see your neighbor in the hallway. You can say, "Good morning. How are you today?"
Or if you go to a cafe in the morning, hi, can I get a small coffee, please? Thank you. Have a nice day.
Exactly. Even short phrases like these are real practice.
And remember, the first step is just saying something. It doesn't have to be perfect.
Yes, the goal is speaking, not grammar perfection.
Ordering food. Okay, let's do another example. Ordering food in a restaurant.
Great. This is very common in America.
Here's a simple conversation you can try. I'll be the waiter.
And I'll be the learner.
Hello, welcome. Can I take your order?
Hi, I would like a cheeseburger and fries, please.
Sure. Would you like a drink with that?
Yes, a small soda, please.
Perfect. That'll be $10.
Thank you.
See? Short, simple sentences, clear, and it's real English you can use every day.
Exactly. And the more you practice, the easier it gets. Asking directions.
Another real-life situation, asking for directions.
Yes, very important. Many learners feel shy, but it's easy.
Here's an example. I'm the learner, you are a passerby.
Okay, go ahead. Excuse me, can you tell me where the nearest metro station is?
Sure. Go straight for 2 blocks, then turn left. It's next to the supermarket.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
See, simple sentences. Clear, brave, effective.
And if you practice this every day, you'll feel more confident walking around America.
Social interactions at work or school. Mark, what about speaking English at work or school? Many learners say, I don't talk because I'm shy.
But small interactions count. Even 1 sentence is practice.
For example, at work, you can greet a colleague. Hi, good morning. How was your weekend?
Or at school, can I sit here? What class do you have next?
These small sentences may seem small, but they add up every day.
And over time, you start speaking longer sentences naturally.
Evening reflection exercise. Here's a tip for learners. Evening reflection.
Yes, at the end of your day, take 5 minutes to think in English.
You can ask yourself questions like, What did I do today? Who did I talk to? What new word did I learn?
And try to answer in full sentences. Today, I went to the supermarket. I asked for directions. I learned the word aisle.
Even if it's only 2 or 3 sentences, you're practicing English thinking and speaking skills.
This is called mental speaking. It strengthens your English even when you're alone.
Daily speaking habit strategies. Finally, Mark, let's give listeners a daily speaking plan.
Yes, here's a simple strategy. Morning, speak one short sentence to a neighbor, a barista, or yourself.
Afternoon, ask one question at work, school, or in the community.
Evening, reflect in English about your day. Say or write 3 sentences.
Weekly, have a longer conversation, maybe 5 to 10 minutes, with a friend or language partner. Even small daily actions add up quickly.
Remember, courage beats perfection. Small steps every day lead to fluency.
Exactly. The key is stop making excuses, start speaking, and practice consistently.
Yes, and don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are proof that you are learning.
Okay, Mark, let's